come to the South Tower elevators at the Sheraton Hotel in downtown Dallas. I did not even realize that I've never gotten a chance to film this, so finally get a chance to do so now, and here it is. Look at that lantern. What floor would you like?
10, please. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Y'all have a good evening.
Do the same.
Thank you.
Different direction.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Have a great day.
Have a lovely evening.
You too, thanks. Door close button, I don't think it works. These are the elevators I did not film before, because the last time I was here, I was out of time when I came here back in 2014. Anyways, I'm not gonna do all the other set of elevators like the parking garage because I'm a bit low on time and I mainly just wanted to focus on the high-rising elevators. Let's go back down. Let's take a still picture of the COP. Look how many buttons there are. We're gonna go back down to the lobby and end. I believe these elevators used to be Dover, much like in the North Tower elevators, I think. But the cab is almost exactly similar. Innovation decorator fixtures. Montgomery, Kone. I got a good view of that sign. Sorry, I'm not very steady because of the motion of the elevator. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna stop the camera here because of the music playing, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching.